Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a what's in my gym bag. I don't know if anybody cares or if anybody is going to be watching this video, but I just thought I would like to have it up on my channel so that way if anybody is curious, they can watch this video and, you know, educate themselves on what I keep in my gym bag. You guys know that I'm kind of new to the whole weightlifting thing and like actually being in the gym for a long period of time. Before I started dating my boyfriend and going to the gym with him, oh, I have to shut the door. My cat's gonna play with that toy for like hours. I shut the door so now he can just enjoy himself out there. But before I started dating my boyfriend, I was like not into weightlifting at all. I didn't even have a gym bag. I just like went to the gym, did cardio and left. But now I'm kind of like, you know, appreciating the process of spending more time in the gym, hence why I have a gym bag. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through everything that's in it. I actually have to hurry up because my boyfriend is on his way over here to pick me up, so I don't want to make him angry. So therefore, I'm gonna hurry up and go through all of these things so that we're not late, because I am a very late person to everything. Also, make sure to subscribe here if you guys are new. This is my fitness channel. I also have a main channel where I upload videos that aren't about fitness, but if you like fitness and weight loss and just like following my journey, then make sure to subscribe because it would mean a lot to me and like this video. But yeah, let's just get into it because I gotta get going. Okay, so I guess we'll start off with like the gym bag itself. As you guys can see, I literally am running out of room in it. It's a really cute gym bag and it's like a pretty good size. It's just not quite big enough for me anymore. But I will say that like this is a great bag. It's from Lululemon. It was kind of pricey. I bought it a couple years ago, so I'm gonna try and find one similar and link it down below. Everything that I talk about, I'll link down below. Similar products or the same thing. But whenever I go into the gym, I'm always carrying this bag and then I'm carrying my shoes because I don't like to wear, when it's like snowing out and wet all the time and salty, I don't like to wear my gym shoes anywhere but in the gym. And these ones are from REEBOK. These are the ones that I've been using recently. My boyfriend got these for me actually, and I think they're really cool. They're super fun. So yeah, I always carry those into the gym with me. I don't wear them into the gym. I normally just wear slides or slippers or something comfortable, to be honest. Before I forget, one thing that's always in my gym bag is my vlog camera, but I'm filming on it right now, so that's why it's not in here. All right, I guess we'll get the pockets out of the way. So there's a little pocket in the front right here. I don't know if you guys can even see it because it's like black on black on black, but there is a pocket right here and I'm just gonna go through what's in that first. First thing I always need to have is chapstick because like I said, it's snowing out all the time and my lips are so dry, so I need to have chapstick. I go to a gym where, you guys will see throughout the video, I go to a gym where I normally shower there. It's called Lifetime. I just think they have them all over the United States. It's a really nice gym, so I take advantage of that and I normally will shower there or like swim there or do something like that. So I have like a lot of essentials in here that are different than if you were just going to another type of gym. But this is definitely a basic that I always will carry with me no matter what gym we're going to. So these are some little resistance bands. I haven't gotten into the purple one yet because I'm weak, but I'm making my way there. So these are from, where are these from? TJ Maxx, I believe. They were really inexpensive, and just like to start off with, I just wanted to kind of see what it was all about, you know, dive into resistance bands. So I use these when I go into like the little studios and stuff to do little booty workouts, and that's everything that I keep in that front pocket. I guess that's everything. I feel weird going through this because I never really do. The next thing that I have in here is a sweatshirt, and then I also keep some sweatpants and socks because like I said, I do shower in the gym. So after I shower, I obviously don't want to put back on my really sweaty, wet clothes. So I change into something a little bit more comfortable, and if I don't shower there, I just keep, you know, the extra clothes in there for when I do end up showering there. And I also have extra clothes in my car as well, just in case I like decide to shower there and I have nothing to wear afterwards. I keep extra clothes with me like everywhere I go for that reason. So for my pre-workouts, I don't think I've talked about it on this channel that much, but I've talked about it on my main channel. I use the ALANI new pre-workouts. I don't know if it'll focus in there, but this is what it looks like. Sorry about my broken nail. I know it's not cute. This is in the cotton candy grape flavor. Honestly, I've only tried like a couple pre-workouts in my life, but I really like this one. It doesn't give me the tingly feeling, but it does get me excited to work out. And going along with that, this is like my favorite thing in the entire world. So I'm not really like a super fitness guru, so don't judge me. I'm sure that like everybody knows about these, but I'm just gonna tell you guys just in case. So this is a little Smart Shake bottle. They sell them on Amazon in like a ton of different colors, so I want to get more. But it has this little section right here for your water, and then it has a little compartment right here, which I can never open it up. Okay, I got it. So it has a little compartment right here that you can put your pre-workout into, and then it also has another section down at the bottom that you can put your protein in for after your workout. So it's just nice because you can store it really easily and just like, you know, open it up and pour it into the bottle after you're done with your workout or before you start your workout. So I got this at GNC, but like I said, they sell it on Amazon, so I'll have it linked down below. It's like my favorite water bottle ever. And that's all I use for working out too, because after I finish my pre-workout, I normally have my pre-workout during my warm-up, which is just like a 20-minute walk on the treadmill. And after I finish my pre-workout, I just fill the top of this thing with water because, I don't know, I'm weird. I don't really drink a ton of water while I'm working out. I normally will like drink a little bit and then after my workouts have a lot more because I don't like to have to constantly pee while I'm working out. Next thing I have in here, this is for when I'm really feeling a workout. So, oh, I don't have the other thing in here. I think Fab might have it, but we have this thing called Sweet Sweat, and it's kind of like an oil-based like product that you put on areas that you want to sweat more. I think it works because anytime I do it, I sweat so much in those areas. So I put that on my stomach sometimes, and then I'll wrap this. I got it at Target. I'll wrap this really tight around my stomach so that way it's like very condensed, so that way I'm more likely to sweat in that area. I don't really know. I think this is meant for posture as well, which is another plus, but yeah, it just helps me sweat more in my stomach, so I like that, of course. For music, I recently got, you guys know, some Beats, and these are the best thing to ever happen to me, so highly recommend these if you are into weightlifting or like just running on the treadmill. It makes life so much easier not having to worry about like hitting the cord and then like your phone falling off of the treadmill. You don't have to worry about like your phone falling off of the treadmill and getting super embarrassed and then having to like, you know, stop your workout and go pick it up. That whole problem is solved with Beats. So these are the Beats Solo 3. Again, I'll have these linked down below. These are life-changing. The sound is so good. You don't hear anything else in the gym. Like when I'm in the gym, it feels like when I have these on that it's literally silent everywhere because of how soundproof they are. So highly recommend these. Love them. Don't know how I survived without them for so long. So another thing that I have in my gym bag is my bathing suits. Like I said, my gym has a lot to offer. They have like hot tubs in the locker rooms, and then they have like huge pools, more hot tubs, they have steam rooms, saunas. So I always bring a bathing suit with me because sometimes after a workout, Fab and I will be like, want to go to the hot tub together just to like relax a little bit. So I always have to have a bathing suit with me. I learned that the hard way because sometimes after workouts I would want to go in the hot tub so bad, but I wouldn't have anything to go in with, and I was just like so sad. So now I always make sure to have just like a basic black bathing suit in my bag with me at all times. I also keep an extra shirt in here just in case throughout my workouts. Like right now I just have on a sports bra. You guys can see, yeah, a sports bra. But sometimes I don't want to wear a sweatshirt. I normally start off in a sweatshirt, and then if I get too hot, I want to switch into a t-shirt. So I just have this one in here right now. My mom got this for me. This was when the Patriots won the AFC. So before they won the Super Bowl, my mom got me that. So I just have this in here. I haven't yet to wear it, but I will probably at some point soon. I have makeup wipes. Sometimes I randomly end up at the gym and I have a full face makeup on, and it's not like me to work out with that on. No shade to anybody who does. I don't care what anybody does, but for me, my skin, that's like a no-go. So always have to have these. These are my favorite kinds as well from Simple. Again, like I said, I shower there, so a hairbrush is definitely needed. That's just a wet brush from Target. I have toothbrushes in here. Sometimes we decide afterwards that like I'm gonna go back to his place with him, or like something along those lines where we're gonna go somewhere else after. So I like being able to just know that I'm gonna have a toothbrush to be able to brush my teeth, because that's one of my biggest pet peeves for some reason, is like not being able to brush my teeth if I want to. So have to have those with me. My favorite stuff for my hair to make it nice and smooth, which my hair has been pretty dry recently, to be honest, but this is a really good product. It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In, so I put this in after I take a shower. Okay, getting down here, you guys. I have my face wash. This is from Drunk Elephant, the number 9 jelly cleanser. This is a super gentle cleanser, so it's good for after a workout because it's not too harsh on your skin. And then there's like some pockets in this gym bag. This gym bag is honestly, you guys, really, really nice. It even comes with a little like bag that you can put your dirty gym clothes in, so that way it doesn't get all around your other things in your bag. So I love this gym bag. If I can find the exact one, I'll leave it down below, but like I said, it's from Lululemon. I have a razor in here for when I shower, so that way I can shave my legs if I want to. And then the last thing, there's another zipper pocket in this little bag, so I'm gonna go through that real quick. In there I have, what is this? Okay, yes, so I was like, what is this? It's 2 different sets of headphones because I'm a freak, and if I can't have music while I'm working out, I like don't think I would work out. Like I really don't think I would. I don't think I could do it. So in case my beats somehow die on me, I have 2 backups because I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that life. The no music life is not for me. I have a hair elastic. I learned this the hard way because one time I was like working out on like an amazing workout, you guys. Like I was running for so long, didn't want to stop. And then my hair fell out, so I was trying to put it back up and my elastic broke. Worst day of my life. So I always keep an extra elastic on me at all times. This is unexciting, but I have my little card case right here because, you know, you need that. And then I also keep in here, this is random, I don't even know if I like these or not. This is just in our cabinet. It's a little protein bar. This one is chocolate peanut butter flavor. So I keep like a snack in here all the time. Whatever kind of protein bars we have in our cabinet, I always keep one of those in here just in case I get hungry, because there's nothing worse than working out and being like so hungry you just can't go on. So I like to have, you know, just something in here for emergencies. But you guys, that is everything in my gym bag. It's much lighter now and there's nothing left in it. So that's everything I keep in there. If you guys have any essentials that like I don't have in my bag that you like need in yours, comment down below so that way I can add them to my bag, because I'm always so excited to like learn more about fitness and learn more about, you know, how to like better myself. I'm just on this journey and I'm so happy. I feel so content in my life, like going to the gym and working and doing everything that I'm doing. I just feel like I finally am at peace with everything and I'm not stressed out anymore. It's just like the perfect balance. But yeah, I don't know, I'm getting off topic here. I love you guys so much and thank you so much for all of the constant love and support. It means so much to me. If you guys haven't checked out my previous videos yet, make sure to go do that. Like this video, subscribe, check out my main channel, Molly's Life. And yeah, thank you guys so much for the support. I don't know where I'm going with this, but I love you guys and I'll talk to you in my next video very soon. Bye!